you guys a Amazon haul for January 2023. And I'm thinking I'm gonna start labeling these videos by the month because I do tend to buy a lot of stuff off of Amazon, and I feel like this year I want to start sharing it with you guys a little bit more. So this is going to be the January haul. It's a little bit earlier in the month because I bought a lot of stuff that are going to be a part of like my New Year's resolution. It's going to be certain items that are going to help me to achieve my goals this year. Only part of these items, some of these items are going to be like regular haul stuff. Yeah, we got a lot to go through, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. Alright, so the first item what I want to share with you guys is this awesome poster that I found. It's gonna be a 100 dates poster. Let me pull it out real quick. It is such a cool idea that I immediately had to grab this. It looks like this. Each one of these dates, once you accomplish it, you're supposed to scratch it away and then it reveals an image. So that way you know what dates you have done, what dates you need to do. So every date that hasn't been done has this gold circle over it because you gotta do it to expose the picture. And I wish I could show you guys all of the date ideas that they have on here, but it might be kind of difficult to show you guys 100 of them. But they have some really fun dates that are gonna be a little bit more pricey, and then they also have date ideas that are gonna cost you maybe nothing. So they have probably one of the bigger date ideas is go fly in a hot air balloon. That one I've looked into before and it is kind of expensive, so that's one you gotta kind of like save for. But then they also have go stargazing, so it's a very like all over the board kind of date ideas. It's not just going out and spending money, which I feel like is really fun. You want like all different kinds of things you can do to just give you guys some ideas. And this one does have get matching tattoos on the poster, and I was like, you know what, you sold me. That's what drew me in. I think it's gonna be such a fun thing to do for the year. Okay, so that was kind of like one of the items to have for the new year, so let's keep it going with that kind of mindset. My second item here that is also a resolution is gonna be this book here called Shatter Me. This one I did find on TikTok. I just got it in the mail, so I have not read that much of it. I'm still kind of getting into the characters and who they are. I'm on page 12, so this whole story is just still kind of being set up, but basically it's about a girl whose touch can people. Sounded pretty interesting to me, and I figured I'd give it a go. I haven't read a personal book in years now. I've only read like school books, and I decided that my new resolution for the year is I want to start to read more. So in the mornings, instead of like getting up, getting my breakfast and scrolling on TikTok, I want to start reading instead. So that's going to be one of my new goals for the year. And yeah, this is the first book I'm going to start with. Let me know if you guys have any good book suggestions because I'm kind of starting from scratch here. I don't necessarily know what I want to read. I just want something that's like interesting. I don't want anything too like sappy, too lovey. I like more like the suspense thriller kind of books. But yeah, by next haul video, maybe I'll be able to give you guys a review on this one. Let you guys know if it's worth a read. All right, so same kind of theme, a different goal of mine now is gonna involve this item here. This is a budget binder. So it comes with these binders that have these zippers on the side, so that way you are able to organize your money. You put a sticker on top of it for that particular budget, and then you also get this budget sheet with it. So you can put like the date, description, the amount you add into it, the balance afterwards. And I figured this was actually a really good idea because one of my goals for this year is to save more money. Definitely you don't need this in order to start saving money, but I am a very visual person, so I like to have little things like this that kind of help keep me on track, and I just feel like this is gonna be a very cute little thing. It'll help keep me kind of accountable. I know where everything is, so I'm excited to start using this because I did actually find some like budgeting, or not budgeting, but a savings challenge. This one's a small one that I ended up finding. It's the 26-week bi-weekly money savings challenge, and by the end of the year you're supposed to save $1,378. So this is one of the challenges I'm gonna be following this year. I was debating if I wanted to do like mini shorts videos every 2 weeks, like going through that checklist together. And I don't know if you guys want to join me in that savings challenge. We can like do it together. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Alright, but fourth item now. This one's not a resolution, but this one is gonna help keep me on track with these things. So I ended up picking up a new planner for the year, and this one, it drew me in because of its features. Let me show you guys this one and why I picked it. First of all, it's adorable. This one also comes with stickers. They are a little bit hard to read on the camera since they're gold. I need to try to angle these, but more stickers on the next page, even more on the third. Stickers are a cute thing to add to your calendar. Bit of a bonus that it comes with it. You get an area in the beginning for special events. It tells you in the front all the holidays that are in the year. And then here we get into the good stuff. Each month you get a separate tab, which I really like. It helps kind of keep you organized, knowing where to go. This is the January one I'll show you guys. You got your January to-do list. You get the full month spread out here with a little notes column, always good to have. More notes, more notes. And then it goes into each day, which you get a good bulk of lines to be able to write stuff down, which I really think is beneficial. So that way you can write more things out for each day. And then yeah, it just keeps going like that. Each one having a different tab, a little saying there. So those are some of the things that I just really like to look for when it comes to my own personal planner throughout the year. It's gonna help get me more organized because last year I was not at all. And one thing about getting a new planner, I feel like this kind of goes hand in hand, at least if you're like me. I ended up picking up myself some new highlighters. I also did grab some pens. I'll put on the screen what those pens are supposed to look like. These are like the aesthetically pleasing pens and highlighters that you may have seen all over TikTok. They are beautiful highlighters. I do have very bright and colorful ones too, but these are like very aesthetic. Like, they look nice on the page. Let me get some scrap paper here, hold on. Look at how pretty those are. Those are so nice. They're not too bright. They don't overpower the page. Feels crazy to say about highlighters, but they are just like the perfect kind of highlighter. I'm really excited about those. The pens I had to show you guys in the picture, they aren't arriving yet. I feel like they're one of those items that probably blew up because of TikTok, so they're actually supposed to be here in like the next 2 weeks. They were gonna take 3 weeks, I think it was, to deliver. Yeah, like 3 weeks. So I'm still waiting on the pens. Those aren't gonna be colorful, but they are in the same kind of tones as the highlighters. So they just look very nice. Which I haven't bought myself a new set of highlighter and pens in a long time. So, you know, I felt like I could go for it. New planner, new pens, new highlighters. If it makes you feel good and you enjoy it, I mean, why not? All right, but that kind of wraps up that category there. These next couple items are just gonna be random items that I decided to purchase. So let's get into those. This next item I wanna share with you guys, in case you don't know, I'm not talking about the headphones, but I'm talking about the ear muffs for the Beats wireless headphones. You can replace these for like 10 bucks off of Amazon. I just bought a new pair of ear muffs. This is now my second pair that I have replaced on these headphones. I've had them for almost 8 years now. They are still holding on. I love to use these, and by swapping out the earmuffs, I'm able to keep them looking like they're still brand new. And I just wanted to mention this because I actually watched a video where a girl was talking about how she threw away her headphones because the earmuffs had started to kind of peel off. And the ear muff itself was starting to do that weird, gross kind of like peeling thing that these ear muffs have a tendency to start doing if you wear them a lot. And if you didn't know that you can replace these, I want to let you guys know that you can, super cheap, and keep them going even longer, because all it is double-sided foam tape that is holding the earmuffs to the actual headphones. It is so simple, so affordable to switch. And because of this little trick here, I haven't needed to purchase new headphones in such a long time. So just wanted to share that with you guys in case you didn't know and you have these headphones, swap out the muffs. All right, with that same kind of momentum going, let's protect our stuff. And I want to make sure you guys are using one of these. I buy these from Amazon all the time. These are the glass screen protectors. I have the specific one for the iPhone, but they have them for like all different kinds of phones. And if you are not using these, I need you to start, because these have saved my phone so many times. They look just like this. They're glass, so that way if you drop them, this breaks and not your screen. And I just want to mention that they're on Amazon because Apple tries to sell you on them in store for like $50 for one. And on Amazon, you for like 10 bucks, you get 3 of them. So if you happen to drop your phone, it cracks and you don't like the look of the crack, take it off, pop another one of these on. Seriously saved my phone so many times. Before I knew this was a thing, I broke my phone screen twice in a year and I had to get it replaced. And that is an expensive thing to do. So if you can buy this for 10 bucks instead of like a $200 screen every time. Again, another win. We're coming to an end here. I only got one more item I want to share with you guys for this haul, and that is going to be this item right here. It is by Make the Case, I think it's called. It's an iPhone case, and just wait. What bam! It is the most beautiful, aesthetically pleasing iPhone case. This may be a little bit boring to some, but I got so excited to see this iPhone case. I also thought it was really good because it was so affordable. So if the iPhone case gets dingy or it doesn't look so great anymore, you're able to swap it out and it not be so costly, because some of the iPhone cases, I have bought them in the past where they're like 50 bucks a case, and it's just like, why? Why does it need to be that expensive? And you feel really bad about throwing it out, but it's started to look really worse for the wear. And I mean, sometimes the case isn't really that much better than other cases. Like this one honestly feels like a high-end case. It is all silicone, so it's nothing too crazy about it. Let me pop out my phone so I can show you. It's got this like kind of backing to keep its structure, but it just looks like this all the way around. Great little case, very affordable. Wanted to share that with you guys in case you are like me and have been wanting a more neutral kind of phone case, or just like a one-tone, simple color case, nothing too crazy. They have some really fun new options on Amazon that I'm loving to see. But yeah, that's actually gonna be it for my entire January haul. I definitely had a lot more on the practical side of items this time around, but it's gonna be good for us. We're starting off the year strong with what we need to help achieve our goals this year, which we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it this year. We're gonna stick to what we wanna do, and we're gonna get it done. So by the end of the year, we are gonna be fully accomplished together. I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!